hotter, hotter, hotter. What them a go do ya now? New link and the attack now. Hotter. Bring a old chain setter. New link. Hotter.
Where you carry me name? Me? Yeah. What kind of argument you carry me name from a land? You come up here, turn up. You come up here. I didn't ask you about Taki.
No.
No, you tell me things about Taki.
Where this come from?
No, me tell no, you tell me things about Taki.
Yeah, you talk about Taki, yes.
What me talk about Taki say? No, what me talk about Taki say? And when me ask you about Taki say? Just tell me what me ask you about Taki say.
Where all of this come from?
You can tell me what me ask you about Taki say youth. And when me whole argument with nobody down there. So you carry me name go down there. You go up there so go tell the girl, say how much Taki no want me. I use Taki, I use me because Taki only want him baby mother Landa to walk and sell pussy. And that you tell the girl and the girl can tell me back.
Hey, Shana say you love Taki. Me say yeah, me know say I love Taki.
Mix up.
With the agree with the Guinea love Taki. But to me see Taki no want him.
So how you know say Taki no want me? I ain't Taki alive though?
Oh jeez, don't get me wrong, mommy.
Why oh boy no Taki?
Taki don't want him. Taki a play woman and the woman is a good woman. And that me say.
And how much are you first did see me?
Me say me and him did it. And me like you woman more than Taki, and Taki a talk to you. Woman is a good woman. And that me say.
And how much are you first did see me?
Me say me and him did it. And me like you woman more than Taki, and Taki a talk to you. Woman and just say.
Like a good look at all.
Just say, are you sure Taki me? Stand up. You say, are you sure Taki me? Is like Taki run against you. For me. You understand me? And that you say.
No man, them a put
me
in
no
a
want
bad
blood clot here, nothing.
Mommy.
You carry me name Garland.
Me no carry name Garland.
Marshall, you carry me name Garland, Marshall. You carry me blood clot name Garland, Marshall. You carry me name Garland. Marshall, you carry me name Garland. But you call up my blood clot
name. Me no carry name Garland.
What do you mean say you carry me name Garland?
Jesus Christ.
Where you carry me name Garland?
See lady a big news.
Mom!
Viewers, subscribers. Jano, people. Boo. Put on about the glass and new link. Well, my viewers and subscribers. This video now, you understand? It's been going right around the place, people. See? And I couldn't see this thing and don't cover the story. You get what I'm saying, people? Because, in the end, people, Zin, you see where everything I come off, you know, mix up. So, more I'm going to need the road before I start beat the attack and drop the attack to the people. Zin? Right. You hear about Taki. It's basically about Taki. Zin? And you hear what the man say. Taki have a woman, you know. So, basically, this are youth, you know, you know. Like the woman, the big woman, you know. Zin, him like the big woman. Well, the big woman look like say him chose Taki over him because maybe Taki can supply something where him can't supply. So in the end now, him a whole a conversation with the next person or some next people are grave digging. Because you know the everything go when man a drink a man junk man drink. Yes, and chat all type of fart. You know what I mean? When some people go drink people that time when they chat everything. So basically him the grave digging, you know, and the romance and him a talk and I say, yo, Taki, and him should have get human because Taki have him woman already, you understand? So, but in the end, look like the woman that chose Taki over him. So, him say, Taki, you know what I mean, people? And the woman go here back now. So, this now, maybe my man they come now to check Mumsel now because I like Mumsel, you know, remember I told the thing, but him like Mumsel, you know, people. But boy, this a woman you know when called Mummy or Mumsel or what seems like she's something else. And in the end, viewers and subscribers, I can't show that video there. You know, I can't show it so clear like that, people. Because you know the guidelines go up on YouTube, Zin. But the end part, the last 20th second or the last 30 second of this video, people, in a way you hear the slap them a put on. Is a big 28, the fat mouth the woman have, you know. And a beat the man with it, you know. Same a call up his name about Taki and this and that. Eh? Honestly, love viewers and subscribers. watching this video, people, Zine, because enough people that say they want the full thing and where it come from, where it start from. And them said this happened down in Westmoreland, Jamaica. So people, the man in the video, no time at all, he not retaliate like raising hand for lick back or and something there. Zine, no, he didn't. And look at it, you know, people. If this man did come, so boom, grab the machete from the woman from she put on the first two upon them people. And maybe come sorry, didn't have a knife and do something else. Yeah, that yes, maybe them hold him down, them mob him, then do this to him and then do that. See, which me now say, if you do it, me glad in at the end, people, you never worse where you say one dead, one this, one that, and you know, while you pass it go on. See, but look on this now. For a big woman like this, basically she take people, man. No disrespect, but the truth. Based onto the video about Taki, this guy, the man said Taki have been woman already. See, so basically, you know what I mean, people? I saw mix up lamp pile sitting there, man. I saw serious lamp pile business, this, you know, man. Eh? Them are same thing I need to deal with people. Honestly. So you see sometime, you know, we know so we are some vicious and some cruel man out there do some wickedness in the people. See? But you see sometime, woman cause things by themselves, you know. And this is a serious thing, you know. Woman cause things by themselves. You know I'm representing, I love the woman them. See? But you see that woman wrong, she wrong, and that one 1,000,000% wrong, and a straight attack. Attack for she. No joke with the attack. Eh? Look how the woman put on the last pan the man. Me see a son dreadly. Your people, honestly. No, sir. Look how the woman a beat the man with the last. When me hear the time when me think it didn't matter. But basically in the scholar, so if you hear the whole conversation, you know, him like her people. He like her and you see he not gonna hurt her. So basically, he love her. Eh? Because if I did some other man, I can tell you this, my people, it would be like this, you know. And in the end, me know personally, people, based on what me see, if this youth did really want, me know saying that damage already. See? But this woman I now feel like she's the bullbuck and dopey conquerance. In the end, what she do, people, I'm glad you don't see where the video, where the argument start from. She hears something, say, you know. And the man explain himself to her go on, you know. But in a fear herself still, this how go on, and she knows the man like her. See? And she know. So this just a mix up same thing go on, people, and see there. That's what happened. You feel say this right? No woman not deal with me not take this in a joke thing. If I notice people, me then a laughing thing doing this vlog. You understand I say a straight attack for her. Who want vex? Eh? Look how the woman put on the last pandit. Yo. Oh my world, oh my precious new link. Attack. Eh? People. Right now, Mr. Sorry, I could just show that piece of clip there. Zine, so anybody, you know the thing. You want to see the clip, just, if you not see it already, link me up. You over Instagram. Yeah, just follow the Instagram and then see the post over there. So now for DM for see it. You over there. You understand that piece there over there. So you can go over there and see people. But I can't tell you, this is 1,000,000% crueltiness and wickedness. Eh? Me know that she have pitney and she would have like somebody take for her pitney and deal with that big old mama lashy man. Eh? Because woman big and tumbling man. Oh my world, oh my people, cannot say a woman like this when she eat all 10 caramel dumpling, you know. You see how she hold the last people and she have them a ping, you know. When I time I see licking pan and I say, Jesus, I hope on a chop off. Oh my attack. Viewers and subscribers, all me can tell you. Some people out there, remember me tell you, we have to be careful. We just don't know. Why? I look there, tacky behind yard and I go to curl up with the woman while she go kill the man over here, say, and still in the end, I take people, man. She passed mackerel stage. She gone a sardine and gone a corned beef. She pass bully beef, man. Gone a salt mackerel and gone a saltfish. Oh my world, oh my precious new link. She need to deal it. And honestly, if it was me, people could then slap them, maybe some butter blood in the M and them. Me a press on charge against him. Me don't know the outcome will be maybe 2 toes or the pain me I go feel. No joke thing. Viewers and subscribers, big up on yourself. You don't know, see the attacking boss there, New Link from New Link Production. More life, people, more blessings, respect for the love, respect for the support. And you don't know the thing, the attacking boss. Stay ya. Now I go nowhere. What them a try? What them a go do?